items arrived from I'll be replacing the AC motor for this Fortuner 2005 3-liter engine. Okay, we got it hooked up now, and I'm gonna switch on the fan to see it works. Okay, it's running. It off. So we have to remove screws 1, 2, and 3. To pull down this motor, you have to take this one away. This one already out, and here comes down the electric motor. So this one's the old one. And the new one. Hopefully I wouldn't have any problem installing this one. This one should match us 100%. This is only a replacement motor that I got from an online store. We have around 1 kilo, 1.138. Okay. This is the replacement one. This is not original Toyota. Here goes. There's a vent, that vent, and this vent. That's our guide. Here goes nothing. Okay. It sounds very rough. At low speed, you could feel that it's a bit weaker than the original. So maybe, hopefully it's just a break-in period. Keep on using it for a few days and then we'll see what will happen.